What is up, guys? Today we are going to be unboxing the Fanttik C4 Hub Tent. I've been in the market for a hub tent, and this is the one I came across and decided to pull the trigger on. They claim this thing is an easy setup at just 60 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and see if that claim is true, because nothing beats convenience when you're trying to camp, set up, take down. So 60 seconds is pretty fast. I will be doing a full review on it. I'm gonna take it camping actually this weekend, so I'm gonna give you guys the pros and cons then. So if you guys don't wanna miss the full review of this tent, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss that episode. So let's go ahead and open this box. All right, guys, so here's the tent. First feel in the hand. They say it weighs about 27 pounds. And yeah, it's got some good weight to it, but it's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I think from end to end, it's about 50 inches or so. We have a 5.5 foot short bed on our truck, so it actually fits perfectly. I took it here in the box. I still had plenty of space between the tailgate and the tent when the tailgate was closed. But all right, guys, let's go ahead and set this up. This is me never having opened this before, seen the instructions or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and start the timer, and I'm not gonna rush or anything. I'm just gonna, you know, set it up as if I were at camp. Let's just see how fast I can do it without knowing how to do it. Ready, start the clock now. All right, guys, so while I'm setting this up, I do want to say that Fanttik did send me out this product for review, but as always, my opinions can never be bought, so please be sure to subscribe if you guys want to see my full review of this thing once I put this tent through its paces. Of course, I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons, but for now, this is just the setup. Now let's get back to the video. And time. Okay, it's all set up, good to go. I did not put the rain fly on, so I think if I put the rain fly on, it might take a couple more minutes, but all right, let's see. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is about 1:32. So it took about 1 minute and 32 seconds to set this up, and that's actually pretty fast. And again, I just unboxed it in front of you guys. So this is the first time I've done that, and it's pretty easy. I know I said I wasn't gonna review it right now, but I did wanna show you guys how this hub tent works if you're not too familiar. So each corner has this little pull tab, and you pretty much just pull it out until it pops open. And you do that with all the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have the roof. You have the roof on top, that's 5. And then as you guys can see, there's actually 2 doors. There's one right here, and there's one on the other side, but let's make our way in. Whoa. Well, okay. Now this is surprisingly roomy. I really like the top, how it's just all mesh. Good ventilation if it's like really hot, if you're camping in the summer. Again, we do have the rain fly. It's right there, I put it away. So that will add a little bit of time. But as of right now, it is pretty good. And you know, with most tents, the walls usually are like concaved in. So, you know, when you're sleeping against the wall, you're pretty much like hitting the side. But this one, since the wall sticks out, you actually have, so if you were to sleep right here, you have like a ton of elbow space. Like, it's pretty sick. So the thing is pretty tall. I am about 5'11"-ish. And as you guys can see, there's about maybe, I don't know, maybe another 5-6 inches above me. So I would say if you're maybe 6'6", you could stand up in here comfortably, which is key. It's just big. Being able to change inside your tent and just, it's just such a game changer. Any tent that lets you stand up and change and just stretch and do anything. You know, you guys know what I'm talking about with the older tents where you gotta hunch down because it's so short, but this one, like, I'm standing up. So at 5'11", I hit the wall about right here. So right here is probably about 5'11"-ish, and then it just gets taller and taller as you go towards the center. But look, I'm walking around. Yep, I definitely walk around. It's cool. This thing is supposed to be rated for 2 to 4 people. You know, I feel like if you had 4 people laying down next to each other, yeah, but if you had 2 people, or maybe 2 people plus your kid and a dog, this would be the perfect size. And the fact that it literally took like a minute to set up was pretty sick. So if you get to camp really late and you just got to throw the tent up, like bam, pull 5 sides, push this one up, and you're good to go. So again, I really like the 2 doors. Looks like there's one on each side, And then these right here are all windows. So let me just show you guys what this looks like. All right, guys, so now we have all the windows open. Let's just count them real quick. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 windows. And then you also have this entire roof like this, unless you put the rain cover, but let's just say 11 windows. So I know the door too has a built-in screen. I can see it right here, but let's just go ahead and close this and see if we can open that up. Okay, there it is. Closing this up. And then it looks like the screen one is right here. Bam. Okay. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. So with the windows total, you have 13 openings over here. Just, oh, I can feel the breeze inside. It is so nice. Hey, Jeremiah, how do you like your tent? You like it? Wow. Oh, come in, Mom. Hema, come in here. Let's see. Okay, so now we're gonna do the test right now. So we got my wife, my son. Come here, baby girl. Come here, baby. Come here. And the doggo. Look at this. We got space in here? You think we got space? So, okay, Ashley, so what do you like about this tent? First impressions, first time setting it up.
I like that you can just stand up straight. It seems pretty spacious. I don't feel too claustrophobic or anything, so.
Right? And it's like tall, like I could stand up in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I could stand up and change in it, but actually first time setting up this thing, let me see if I'm missing anything else. I'm just looking around the tent. Okay, got the dog, the wife. I think there are actually 2 pockets. I'm trying to find them. It looks like there's a pocket behind this window right here. Yep, there's a pocket right here. And then the other pocket is just on the other side. Same location right by the door. It's gonna be right here. So that is the first look of the interior and just how much space it has. And first impressions, I like the hub tent. I like how easy it was to set up. But let's go see if it's just as easy to take down. Actually, I forgot to mention that with the hubs right here, if it was really, really windy, this thing is supposed to be rated for about 40, 50 miles an hour. I heard from some online that it actually was more capable than that. But if it's really windy, each of the side hubs right here has a tie down, so you could actually pull this out and stake it down. It does come with it. It's all over there that I didn't unbox, but yeah, every side has these drawstrings that you could just tie down and pull it out in case it's really, really windy. All right, guys, so now let's see how fast this thing collapses or get put away. Again, I'm gonna time myself just to see how it is. I'm not gonna rush. They didn't claim about putting it away in 60 seconds, so they only said that for, you know, putting it up, but I'm just gonna time myself and just work at my speed, just the way I would do it without rushing. And let's start now. All right, guys, so in order to put this tent away, you just do the complete opposite from earlier. So instead of popping the sides out, you just push everything back in, starting with the roof first, and then you collapse the sides, and then you roll it up back into the bag. Time. All right. It says here, I don't know if you guys can see, but it says here 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Now, I don't even think I put it away properly. I don't know if you guys could see the middle right here. I could have maybe rolled that a little tighter, so maybe I was rushing a little bit, but I actually didn't even know how to fold it, but it kind of just folds into itself. I don't know how to explain it, but again, that was pretty easy to put away too. Definitely a lot faster to set up, but man, if setup takes 2 minutes and putting it away takes 2 minutes, I mean, that's, I think, a win-win. All right, guys, so that's gonna be my first impressions, unboxing, first setup, and also putting it away without knowing how to do it straight out of the box. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to see the full review, again, I'm going to be taking this out on a couple camping trips, including this weekend in about 2 days. I'm about to hit up Highway 395. So be sure to hit that like button and be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss the full review if you guys are also planning on getting this one. Now this is going to be different than my other tent, which is my huge inflatable tent by COODY. We have the COODY KOALA 7. If you guys haven't seen my full review of that, I actually did a full review. I've had that tent for a year. So if you guys are also in the market for an inflatable luxury glamping tent, I highly suggest you check out that video next. If not, you guys could check out one of our off-roading adventures. I'll put a couple links of the videos here, and here, everywhere. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.